Hello friends, in this tutorial I want to use Surfer program to georeference an image. First we have to set up a page from layout, size, and from here you can find the list of the pages. I choose custom, landscape and portrait, I choose landscape. Okay. Regarding to units we have inches and centimeter, I choose centimeter, and you can make the window look better. Okay, it's good. Or more. Okay, let's start georeferencing first from home and base map. The images for the georeference we have they have two requirements. The first one, the image must be in a base map layer, and also the image must be at least 2 times 2 pixels. Okay, bring an image from the file when you save where you save it. Therefore, okay, bring the image would you like to be georeference, and also bring a map with a right coordinate systems. This one. Okay, as we can see, the map with right coordinate system is smaller than the raster image. And select the image would you like to be georeference, and click the georeference image. Okay, now you can delete these pointers, and we have to select 4 clear points, because for georeferencing we at least need 4 pointers. From add mode you can add pointers and choose the right location. I choose this one as a point, the first point, and this one, as a second point, and a point from this here. Now location here, that's the third point, and the fourth one let be here. Okay, as we see we have source column and source x column and source y column, that is the coordinated by pixel of the image, and we have to provide target x and target y. Then when we put the cursor from the image with right coordinate system, we can see the coordinate system how it change. Okay, first we have to write and then put the coordinates from the target x and target y column. For point 1 we put it here, that's the point 1. Okay, You can write it in a paper. The x is, you can see the coordinate as x equal to 5 6 6 2 5 5 and y 5 8 8 6 0.09. After finding coordinates for the 4 pointers, I just put the value of x and y in the coordinate x and y. Now I write the coordinates. We see we have error, but it's not too much, so you can accept it from here. Yes. Now we can close. You see we have a raster image with a right coordinates, so we don't need this georeferenced image. Okay, and from map you can change the scale. Let be, that's 1 centimeter for 393.7 meter in a rail. Let's change it to 250. Okay, now it's good. And limit, we can change it to okay. Now we have this raster image with right coordinates. I hope it can be helpful.